welcome to a new studio vlog. This studio vlog might seem a little bit confusing in the beginning because I've added a couple of clips that I forgot to add in the previous vlog. So they are old clips, and that's also why we are starting on a Friday and not on a Monday. Take your time and brew yourself a cozy cup of tea and bring out your UFO and let's jump into the studio vlog. Today it's Friday. It's a really gloomy day, so it's pretty dark in the studio, so I had to put on some lights. It feels like it's autumn, like for real. It's been a couple of really summery and warm days, but today it's not. It's still warm, but it's dark. So my plan for this Friday is to crochet a lot. Yesterday I was editing the whole day. I was writing blog posts and patterns and just working on the computer most of the day. So today is my crochet day. So I'm going to continue working on the September crochet along pattern. I can't show you anything because it's a secret, but I can tell you that it's like this big, so it's a bit smaller in shape than my usual amigurumis might be. It's Polly the Parrot size almost. But yeah, and I stumbled across some problems with the school accessory that I was going to add on it, but I think I might have figured it out, so I'm really excited about that. So yeah, I'm going to crochet. I'm going to also write down the pattern as far as I have come and send it out to my testers so they can start crocheting. But yeah, I hope you are having a lovely Friday as well, with some crocheting, maybe at your breakfast. But yeah, that's my day. Yeah, one thing more exciting. I'm going to order a camera today. So for the next studio vlog, I hope I might have a new camera. So that is exciting. Okay, now I'm going to go crochet. So for each month I'm setting up a couple of bigger goals, and for September my goals are launching my new web shop, pre-sell December yarn kits, make a Swedish beginner online course, might also have time to translate it to English hopefully, make beginner yarn kits for the course, and release at least one Halloween or autumn themed amigurumi pattern. Hi guys, it is Thursday already and it's 1st of September, which means the first pattern part of the September call has gone out to all the amazing participants. So yeah, I have already seen one finished head. Let me show you the first part. So this is our first part in the September crochet along, and yeah, it is a head. Any guesses on what we are going to make? Let me know down below in the comments. Yeah, so today I've been editing the tutorial for this little fellow. This is Ruth the Bee. This is a old pattern of mine that is available on my blog, but that I decided to make a video tutorial for. And this tutorial is so huge and it has taken me like 2 days to edit only, and now I think it's ready, but let me show you. It's like never ending. This tutorial is now 45 minutes long and I have done all in my capability to make it shorter and to just speed up as much as I can, but there is a fine line between too much upspeeded content and not. So I think I need just to leave it like this. And I mean, crochet tutorials are long because crocheting is a slow thing to do. So I just need to let it go and just realize that I can't make super short and quick tutorials. It is not possible if they are going to be pedagogical and informative and clear at the same time. So yeah, but I'm really happy with how it turns out. I'm really happy with all of my tutorials so far. I think they look inspiring and pretty. And I want to make pretty and inspiring pedagogical tutorials for you guys. So I hope you like it. It should be up in the channel right now, so go and take a peek after this vlog if you wanna make yourself a bee. Friday and I'm currently been setting up my new camera, a Sony CV10, and yeah, I'm going to try out a little of things. Like for example, if the focus works as it should, because one of the things that was my problem with my 10 years old Nikon was that it didn't have any automatic focus, which can be a problem if you make crochet tutorials, for example, because you never know if your hands are in focus or not, and it was hard to see and to check because I didn't have a flip screen. And yeah, I hope that this camera will solve a lot of problems for me. So let's see if the focus. I think I might have found the right settings for it now, that it actually works really nice. Oh my god, this is so nice! I'm so excited. The colors also looks really pretty, and yeah, we'll see. I'm going to tweak them, of course, a little bit when I edit, because that is just what I like to do, but we shall see. There might be less tweaking needed than on my previous camera. So let me know. What do you think? What do you think about the sound? Because it should be a little bit different, hopefully for the better. I'm not using my computer good mic now. I'm using the camera's mic. And that is also when I photograph or film vlogs, I've used this one. This is a old Nikon D3100. I bought this 10 years ago and it was brand new and had come out really recently when I bought it. So it was new and it was really good when I bought it. But now there are a lot of functions that is missing. So yeah, I'm really happy about my upgrade. So yeah, but this mic is pretty bad. So I hope that this mic is much better. Yeah, I'm going to do my best and try to learn not to look at myself in the view camera. It is going to be a adaptation period before I get used to it. But otherwise, yeah. Let me know what you think in the comments. And yeah, if you haven't checked out my recent tutorial, it's for Ruth VB. It's up on the channel right now, so go and take a peek and make yourself your own. So I just added the statistics for August. This is just pattern sales and my revenue. So I've sold 135 patterns and tickets to the crochet along this month. This is just that I'm 54 sales above my average that I need to have to complete my goal. And then I had a revenue of 743.59. Thank you so much for watching this studio vlog. I'm super curious about what you're doing while you watch my studio vlogs. Let me know down in the comments. Are you crocheting, drinking tea, or drawing? Let me know. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!